Allison. I'm going to be teaching you how to crack your knuckles. And I think it's my knuckles for about 8 years old training and all this. I'm going to cut my fingers and also do it with 4. And if you want to clap the hole, you can go like that. And I just kept my hand. Ooh, it hurts. I'm not really used to doing it like that. But you're just gonna push down into your joint with your fingers. I don't know if it's really anything, but you're just gonna pull. Okay, that one kind of cracked. I don't think you heard it though. And I can show how to cut your toes. I'm sorry, I only have one camera on the phone. For the big toe, I just do that, or you can pull. When I pull it, I just do this stuff, and you can hear me do a little cracking. I don't know if you can hear that. But you're gonna take for this one, you're just gonna go bend it. So that one will crack you. Oh, that one did. You did it really good. Oh, so that was good. So anyway, we're gonna show you how to crack your leg. So this one, you're gonna grab your heel and grab your heel, and then you're gonna pull right there. And then the left club up. Yes, a little crack. I heard a crack. Sorry, spin. And then just go through. Doesn't work. Right. So, my heel is hard. Okay, so this is my nose. And the mouth. Thanks for watching Pumpkin Day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.